What is even happening on best center page of Fiverr? This single guy have worth of $20,000 active order in just 1 gigs, and literally each one of them is making some really crazy amount of money. So in this video, we will be analyze the factors that matter for a gig to be ranked on the first page of bestsellers. And at the end of the video, I will show you a bonus tip that how as a new seller, you can rank yourself on the bestseller page. So without further ado, let's dive into it. The first factor, no doubt, the positive customer reviews. But before we begin, let's deeply understand why reviews are so crucial on Fiverr platform especially. Let's think of it from a buyer's perspective. Reviews are like gold-plated outfit to any gig. It showcases your professionalism, your quality of work. So for example, I am a buyer. Here I am on Fiverr and I need a service logo. So the first thing as a buyer I look for, I will see the customer feedback. So if I enable best selling, and yeah, as you can see, every single of them have 1,000+ customer feedback. So let's analyze some of the gigs and see if reviews are really the case for a gig to be ranked on the very first page of Fiverr. Let's see this one. Guy from the second row, and this guy too. Now you will notice that each one of them will have some enormous number of reviews from their customer, and that's why this is what the Fiverr algorithm catches, put that gig on the first page. So as you can see, 6,000 positive reviews, all 5 stars. This is really awesome. See this guy, 5 stars, 3,000 reviews, and 7,000. Though it's 4.9, it's still not bad, but 7,000 reviews. So yeah, they are ranked on the very first page of bestsellers because they have some enormous number of reviews. Definitely, review is really a factor that matter for a gig to be ranked on the bestsellers page. The second factor we're gonna discuss is also really crucial on Fiverr platform especially, and it's keywords. Keywords are like, you can say, a digital compass which help both the buyers and sellers find each other in the vast Fiverr marketplace. By using right keyword, you can make yourself visible to the right audience. You can make yourself more discoverable on Fiverr. So for an example, if I search for a service, you can say video editing. By searching the video editing keywords, we have 46,000 plus, almost 47,000 services available, which is really a huge competition to get yourself visible in this keyword. So let's try a more niche specific and long tail keyword. For example, documentary video editing. The service is reduced to some 7,000, from 47,000 to 7,000 only. Yeah, this is really the tricky part in Fiverr. So you really have to do some research on keywords, and you really have to keep yourself up to date so you can make yourself more visible to your targeted audience. Moving on to the final tip and the bonus tip. This one is especially for new sellers which are facing troubles getting orders. So this is already the tip you can try to get yourself first order especially. If I go to the logo section again and I enable this check right here, online sellers, which most of the buyers do because they want to get things done right away. They usually enable this check. Now the Fiverr will only show me those gigs which are online on the platform, regardless their reviews, regardless their orders in queue, or you can say the digital reputation. It doesn't matter. As long as I am online on the platform, the Fiverr will show my gig too. You will notice that on the very first row, This guy have only 30 reviews, and still his gig is on the first page. This guy have 319 reviews, and still this one is 2 on the first page. You can see this green dot 2. This means that these gigs are online. So yeah, as a new seller, you really have to give time to the platform, and you really have to stay active on the platform as much as you can. You can get yourself your first order. This is enough for the Fiverr part first. See you next time.